First question, fill in the blanks. The main steps of nutrition in humans are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Second, the largest gland in the human body is liver. The stomach releases hyaluronic acid and digestive juices which act on food. Next, the inner wall of the small intestine has many finger-like outgrowths called villi. Next, amoeba digests its food in the food vacuole. Next question, mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. A. Digestion of starch starts in the stomach. It is false. B. The tongue helps in mixing food with saliva. It is true. Next, the gallbladder temporarily store bile. It is true. Next, the ruminants bring back swallowed grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. It is also true. Next question, tick mark the correct answer in each of the following. First, fat is completely digested in the small intestine. Next, water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the large intestine. Next, match the items of column 1 with those of column 2. Food components, product of digestion. Carbohydrates, sugar. Protein, amino acids. Fats, fatty acids and glycerol. What are villi? What is their location and function? Answer, villi are the finger-like projection or outgrowth. They are present in the small intestine of our digestive system. The villi increase the surface area for absorption of digested food. Next question, where is the bile produced? Which component of the food does it help to digest? Answer, bile juice is produced in the liver and it helps in the digestion of foods by breaking large fat globules into smaller ones. Next question, name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. Give the reason also. Answer, cellulose is the carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans, because humans lack cellulase enzyme required to digest the cellulose. Next question, why do we get instant energy from glucose? Answer, glucose is a simple sugar which is easily absorbed by the blood, whereas other carbohydrates are the first broken down into glucose and then absorbed. Hence, glucose gives instant energy. Next question, which part of the digestive canal is involved in absorption of food? Answer, small intestine. Chewing of food? Answer, buccal cavity. Third, killing of bacteria? Answer, stomach. Fourth, complete digestion of food? Answer, small intestine. Last, formation of feces is answer, large intestine. Next question, write one similarity and one difference between nutrition in amoeba and human beings. Similarity, both amoeba and human beings follow the holozoic type of nutrition. Difference, humans intake food through buccal cavity. In amoeba, food is ingested through pseudopodia. Next question, match the items of column 1 with suitable items in column 2. Column first, A, salivary gland. Answer, saliva secretion. Stomach. Answer, acid release. Third, liver. Answer, bile juice secretion. Fourth, rectum. Answer, storage of undigested food. Small intestine, digestion is completed. Last, large intestine, absorption of water. Next question, label of the digestive system. Here is the answer. Next question, can we survive only on raw leafy vegetables or grass? Discuss. Answer, no, we cannot survive only on raw leafy vegetables because they mainly consist of cellulose which cannot be digested by us due to lack of cellulose digesting enzyme in our body. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe my channel Activator.